Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home at lot N-9 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. This is a pre-owned home that we did a ton of work to spruce up and make super nice. I think we did a great job. So one thing that's really nice about this house, you've got this awning out here. This comes with a shed. And you also have a backyard. So go ahead and take a look at that real quick. That's the back of the house right there. And this is all included in the lot. So now we'll take a look on the inside. Got this 2 double steps up to the back and front door. And here's the inside. So you've got a really tall ceiling here, beautiful ceiling fan above. We have brand new paint throughout. There's a new roof, new central air conditioning unit in this. We have a new gas furnace. All the appliances are brand new. The cabinets are new as well. Here is that kitchen. We've got this new countertop as well. And the sink is also brand new. This is your dishwasher. Right above here, you've got your microwave. Again, all these appliances are brand new. You've got a 5-burner stove there, right above your oven. And on the bottom, you have a heating tray as well. I'll also note that there is brand new lighting throughout this house. The ceiling fan as well is brand new. Here we'll take a look at those brand new cabinets. Got adjustable shelving in here as well. And this corner is much larger than the others as well, so plenty of space there. This is your back door. Here is that thermostat. This brand new programmable thermostat. This is the electrical panel. This is just like a regular house, so it's 100 amps. Here is where you could put your side-by-side washer and dryer. And here is the bathroom. Got a ceiling light above. This is a brand new bathtub. It's 60-inch fiberglass bathtub. Brand new vanity and new commode. Here is one of the bedrooms. Got that window to look out the backyard. I'll stand in the corner here so you can get a depth of the room. There's also new vinyl flooring throughout this house. And here is the closet. Both these doors open into it, and it runs the whole length of the wall. Got that pre-installed wire rack as well. And behind that little door right there is the water heater. It's a brand new 30-gallon electric water heater. Now we'll take a look at the other bedroom. This is the furnace. And that is new as well. And here is the second bedroom. Got a nice view out into the neighborhood here. Standing in the corner just so you can get a sense of depth here. And here's the second bathroom. This is brand new as well. And to your right, you have a shower stall. And here is a new commode as well. Lastly, we'll take a look at the closet right here, which is right behind this door. Now, if you're interested in this house or any of the other houses that we have to offer, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions to get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the second generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey. And this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here. And all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.